adventures with me to all of the places you like to see. Let me show you what life's a reality and discover the world in all its beauty.
아마 긴장하고 있겠지 어디다 눈을 둬야 할지 흔들리고 있잖아 다 보여 다 어쩔 거야 이제 Slow down 너무 빨라 Slow down 좋을 거 하나도 없어 Oh no no 거봐 그냥 알 뻔했어
Okay, let's try it. But like, shouldn't we mix the taste?
Well, maybe.
Yeah, I think so. But
It
maybe-
smells, I don't know. We're gonna try
Okay.
tofu first.
Yes.
Because that's what I know.
Tofu is delicious, but now we are gonna get judged by the way we are eating. Like people.
Who cares?
Yeah. Don't judge us, please.
Who's that girl who's eating with food in her mouth? Well, sorry guys.
Okay, and if you
I'm gonna add some kimchi.
Oh,
Oh.
yes. I've missed this so much.
That's the real deal.
This is gonna be very uncomfortable. Editing and then look at yourself eating.
Yeah. Well, I did because last time we were eating pizza and I was like, so it wasn't really charming, but whatever. Also, last time the pizza was so spicy that I got hiccups. So maybe I'm gonna do that again. It's not that spicy though. Okay, minced meat. I've never seen minced meat in bibimbap. It's always chicken or like the bigger
Lamb.
rund.
Oh,
Cow?
Cow.
steak. I don't know.
I don't, yeah.
steak.
something like
Oh,
that.
it's pretty spicy. I get like sweating under my eyes. Do you guys never have that?
I always get like
Yeah.
sweaty under my eyes, it's weird.
Yeah.
I get it when I eat ramen, like ramen, that it's a very hot dish and with all the water.
The steam.
Yeah.
Also,
Yeah, it's getting spicy. I
it
should
looks
have
like
mixed it.
I did a workout, but I just ate.
Well, just say we did a workout.
Yeah, cooking is
We are
very
chewing.
tiring.
Yeah.
We are exercising our jaws.
Oh yeah.
We're already full.
Next time we should make miso soup.
Yeah.
Because that's great.
Yes.
But what's actually
it's also
in
with-
miso soup?
Seaweed and tofu.
Oh,
and
seaweed.
I dislike seaweed as well.
But in miso
But you
soup,
don't
it's not
really
that,
taste it.
Yeah.
You don't have to eat it. Like it's just floating
But
in your
is that
Japanese? I think it's
soup. Is it Japanese? Could be.
So, are we gonna talk about the making of this recipe and how we like it or dislike it?
Well, we didn't make the we got the recipe somewhere on the internet.
So, we don't know if this is the actual thing.
Yeah.
We don't have Korean grandmas or something, so.
But
Oh, didn't know that.
maybe like
Maybe we do.
yeah. But anyways, the cooking went
Pretty
better
well.
than I expected.
Yes.
Yeah. We didn't burn anything. But it's not like I was cooking, so that explains it, I guess.
Oh, we didn't cut any fingers off, so.
What's this then?
You don't want to know.
But how would you rate this from 1 to 10?
I would give it an 8.
I think like the rice is just being rice,
Yeah.
and in Korean dishes it doesn't taste like plain rice.
Yeah, true.
But we have the gochujang.
Yeah. But I haven't. This is my first time trying bibimbap, so I wouldn't know. But I'd give it also an 8, just for trying. Like it's not. It doesn't taste bad. It's actually pretty good.
I really like it so.
Now, when we are going to yeah, soul sister, we can try the real bibimbap.
Yeah. And we
But
can
that-
finally drink makgeolli again.
Oh my god.
I hope they have it.
Can you like
Order a glass?
order a full bottle?
Yes, but it's very expensive.
Yeah, it's like 20 euros.
But like when you order a glass, you get like this.
Oh my god. Can we just bring it with us secretly and
Yeah,
just put it
yeah.
on the table like...
Yeah, you can do that with the soju.
Yeah.
You have to order soju first, so you
So do you
got
have
the
the-
glasses.
And then just switch it.
Yeah.
like a jacket with alcohol and then just...
But you have to be careful because it doesn't make sense if we bring grape and they don't offer you grape.
Yeah,
And then
so
you're
we-
like,
Where
what's
do
the
you
grape
But
get
they're
cider in
better.
here?
Yeah.
Or we're gonna make our own alcohol next time.
Yes. Is that legal?
I think so.
Really?
Yeah. You can make your own wine too.
But you have to have like grapes and stuff.
Okay. Okay.
Stay tuned for that, you guys.
No.
It's gonna happen someday.
Next time but who's gonna be our alcohol expert? Because Gordon Ramsay isn't really into alcohol, I think.
Well, if you mean expert like the one who drinks the most alcohol, it's probably gonna be me. But I don't know.
But you drink it on a weekly basis.
Like almost every day.
Well,
Okay, you every day. I drink
like,
it on a weekly basis.
Once in a while, it's just a beer without alcohol in it, so it's not really alcohol. But yeah, I don't know. Corona made me do it.
so we're like, I'm drinking the least alcohol, then it's you, and then what is our
Yeah, I'm not part of it,
professional?
But
everyone needs something to survive this.
true.
True that.
Who can hold the most alcohol? Like that's
I
a
don't
different
know.
question.
We never really went out and drank like.
Should we
a
try?
whole-
Should we try?
I would really want to try that.
Well, we can do it. But we have to build our own party because we can't go anywhere.
I'm glad we didn't put a whole tablespoon of this hot sauce.
Yeah, it is pretty spicy. We can keep it for some other project.
You can use it as fake blood.
Yes.
You should thin it out with water or something.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
when do you want
Maybe
to
that
use
works.
it?
Tomorrow.
Why?
She needs to
because
fake blood for the
I
video.
need to bleed.
Is someone under
I need to suffer.
Is someone under period? No. We're not gonna do that.
It's gonna be very deep and metaphor.
Yeah, it's gonna be bloody. No, I don't know. I mean, I can leave out the blood, but it
Maybe-
just makes
Maybe
me
we
more
get
happy.
attacked by like a wild animal there, so then we just have free blood.
Free special effects.
I'm probably just attacking myself and falling and stuff.
How are
In the
you
wild nature.
How are you going to film that?
Oh, she's gonna film.
We're gonna film it.
I'm just gonna sit on a chair and look miserable.
Oh, wait, I don't know if my camera is still.
What did the people learn from this video? Nothing. no?
Yeah. Okay, I spilled hold rapper paste. I spilled it on my
No.
Hot chili peppers.
Don't do that.
Well, we hope you enjoyed this video.
Yes.
That you learned something from this. I'm
Probably
not.
not.
Maybe it made you laugh, and that's already.
Yeah. You learn how to not do it. Although we succeeded, I think.
Yeah, we succeeded. I mean, we rated an 8, right?
Yeah. Well, we do, but
Yes.
I don't know if anyone else would.
If Gordon Ramsay, we're gonna ask
Yeah.
what
Gordon Ramsay,
is.
please leave a mark. A mark?
Yeah, we're
A grade? A rating? Okay, leave it somewhere.
Rate our food.
let us know what dish we should make next time.
Next time.
Yes.
Give us some inspiration.
Something
and
Korean.
Yeah. Or well.
And if
yeah.
you're like a Korean chef, you can totally come and help us.
Yeah.
Give a tutorial or something.
Exactly.
A chef at all would be nice.
But like 1.5 meters away.
Yeah.
I always think 1.5 meters
No.
away.
No, but like.
Don't do this,
we're-
kids. Don't do this at
No.
home.
But we're like, no, this is allowed because we're 3 in a room.
Mm.
So we're doing everything legal,
Okay.
I think.
We don't do illegal stuff, right?
No, never.
Never, no.
What makes you say that? Okay, but anyway.
Don't watch this if you're our parents.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so this was our video on the YouTube channel, but you can also follow us on Instagram, which is Korea Here We Come. I'll probably link it down below. And if you want to listen to our podcast, which are in Dutch,
Yes.
you can find them on SoundCloud. And
At
I
Korea
think-
Here We Come as well.
Yes.
Yeah, Korea Here We Come as well. And I think
Everything
that's all I
Korean.
wanted
Here
to
we
say.
come.
Yeah. So if you want to
Yes.
find us, look down below and
See you next time.
yes.
Bye.
Bye.
Tick tock, tick tock.